What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Netflix stock. So I'll take you over my position update that I have for you guys in this video. I have a short position on this, as you can see on my chart, and I'll do some updates here. And also we have a fall on the price of the Netflix after earnings, even though they beat the earnings. So look at it, they beat the earning, price is falling. Last time they didn't quite beat the earnings and the price went up. So we'll talk about this as well. And then I'll also provide you what I think, in my opinion, going into this week, what is the price targets potentially that Netflix can come all the way down to, let's say, Friday of next week, right? So let's talk about all of that in this video. Once I let you know that none of this is any financial advice, this is only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes, okay? So here we are. Let's start off with the earnings. And so guys, okay, look, here's the thing, very simple. Yes, they beat on the earnings. The only thing they said, they're not going to report on their subscribers metrics anymore because they believe that there are other cash flows and revenues that should be the important metrics for Wall Street to check upon. So, and I sort of agree, yeah, because you can't keep growing subscribe, and also for the reasons they say that the way they now offer subscription has multiple tiers, so it doesn't really matter the counts of subscriptions anymore of the users, because there could be multiple tiers and users could be paying different amount in those tiers. And so yes, it makes sense that there's no point in reporting how many subscribers did they gain. And also it's getting a mature company now. They have already occupied the whole population all around the world. They would not have that much of acceleration, so it's not really gonna be that promising as well. But I get the point that it's not valuable metrics anymore because every subscription may pay different, so it's more just looking after the cash flow, the profits, and the revenue generation. And price is falling, but why so, right? Price is falling, guys, technically, okay? Technically things were setting up like that. I know analysts are saying different things, that, oh, because of that metrics, or, well, they're still raising the price target from 650 all the way up to $700. I was just reading it. I think Bank of America did it over here. The brokerage raised its price objective on Netflix stock to $700 from 650. The thing never even hit 650, and they are now raising, doubling down on 700, and look at it, what the price is doing. Well, anyways, that's what they do, right? So, but you already know I was opening this short play, right? Let's talk about this position. The first one I know is this one ran into my stop loss, but the second one worked out really great, guys. So the update that I have is so let's go to the hourly interval, and this is where during the post earnings, right, this thing went up and then went lower. And that day when I did the video, I was telling you guys, oh wow, it must have hit my target already, yay. So the thing is that, guys, the candles also, I have my closed position. How I close my positions is on the 5 minutes on my broker. The way I place it in advance, so my algorithms checks for that if the candle has closed. So in that video I mentioned that, oh wow, yay, I'll go and check if it's filled. So so technically no candle closed that day, except I didn't get any order filled. In sort of form, lucky me, because that candle never hit my area of it did cross through it, but it never closed it. The ones which are automatic, right? The positions that I closed through my algorithm. But so, yep, well, lucky me, next day I got a move to the downside. I did take some out, guys. The day it started to continue to fall. Oops, sorry, where did the price go here? I'm sorry, guys, let me figure out where did the chart go. Here we go. Yeah, I did take some out, but most of my position I'm still holding. And I'm continuing to hold on the short side. Until where am I planning? Well, as you know, I like to take partial profits out. Now let's talk about where do I think this price can go all the way up to. So this is where I had previous this at least position, but the way the things are looking like, with the overall market selling off, I won't be surprised if this thing comes all the way down to 200 days moving average. And that's what I'm targeting. I'll still take partial profits out, but just looking at the scene in the market, look at the QQQ selling off, right? I have been talking about this as well. I'll do another video. SPY selling off, another video I'll do about it as well. But you can see all this market is showing to me that cool off will continue. And not just that, so yeah, this is still a good pullback on Netflix if it comes down to $500, pretty much where 200 days moving average would be. So I will continue to hold this position now. And Netflix is weak, to put it simply. And so that's the price target, guys, for maybe next week, 500. I won't be surprised if it comes down there. But Netflix was already showing us all these signs of slowdown, right? You can see it started to go in distribution phase, right? All these stocks were going in distribution phase, right? Supply zones were forming, then lower highs were forming eventually, right? From look at it, these are higher highs, higher lows, then lower highs, lower lows. A little bit went early here, I can tell you that already. But this other position is working out really great. So yeah, I expect this to continue lower, but as I said, I'll take partial profits out. So, and rebounds may come, that's fine, but am I seeing any sign of rebound right now? I'm not. So if rebound comes, if Netflix wants to be bullish, Netflix needs to first get above $568 on Monday to change the price action. If it closes above 568, then sure, we can talk some upside, but otherwise, no. That's just a sell-off zone, and this thing may continue just lower eventually. So I'm still in the bear camp on this thing, and then we'll see what happens around 200 days moving average. But yes, it has room to fall all the way to $500 in my opinion. May happen right away or do zigzag the way the market is, but that's what I'm targeting on this. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. I'll be doing lot of other videos on tech stocks, indices. I did one video on Nvidia this morning already. Check that out on my channel. Tesla's videos, options, and everything will be coming out. Alright guys, with that, take care. Bye. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. Okay, bye.